Hi, my name's Austin Jarrett, and this week we're really excited to welcome our distributor for Ireland, Cyril Johnston. We've got 7 of the sales guys coming over, and we're going to be looking at giving training both on our homeowner products and on our professional products for which they're distributors in Ireland. So they're flying into Manchester Airport, we're picking them up, and we've got a day of training on homeowner equipment on a really great lawn at the Allett lawn. And then that's going to be followed by training at the factory, and also we're going to be doing some mowing at Brockton Football Club. So welcome.
Hi, my name is Matthew Barr. I'm a sales executive for Cyril Johnston in Belfast. I've had a cracking trip with Allett here over the last 2 days. We've learnt a lot from the different products and the massive range that Allett has across the whole fleet. Today we've actually done a factory visit, and we're able to actually see the machines being built from scratch right through, from the cylinders, with the blades going into each different cylinder, right from the 14-inch right up to 34-inch. And you literally take a walk around the factory and you could see each site going from start to finish. It was incredible, and then they tell you about the way they get the cylinders in all hardened and stuff like that for getting the long life that the Allett has with the cylinders. But yeah, no, it's been a fantastic visit, and I'd like to thank Allett for having us.
Okay, my name's Tom Black. I'm the Managing Director of Cyril Johnston. We're based just outside Belfast in Carryduff. We've been representing Allett now for probably about 1.5 years. We started with the homeowner range, but more recently we're starting to move across into the professional. So we've 2 teams across today from our grounds care division and our domestic division, looking at the entire Allett lineup. Well, I think there's lots of opportunity. Allett, I guess, as a brand, maybe isn't known very well in Ireland. We have a lot of sports grounds, and I just think there's huge opportunity for the brand. Well, yesterday we were treated to some time at Austin's house, the MD of Allett. Met his wife. She wined and dined us, which was great, and we got to destroy Austin's lawn at his house Not sure if we're going to be allowed back, but great experience, fantastic lawn, and Austin definitely knows a lot about grass maintenance and his machinery. Very enthusiastic. I think they've just been really fired up. I guess like anything that, you know, we can look at products in brochures, but when you actually get to use them, get hands-on experience, there's nothing beats that. So I think we've really enjoyed time using the machines, but I guess time with Austin, understanding how to use the machines properly and how to get the most out of them. And I know certainly from chatting last night, they're very enthusiastic about the brand and the opportunities for the brand in Ireland, both in homeowner range and obviously today was spent with the professional. We've two sort of, we have our own retail showroom in Carryduff, which I think we'll be able to send the machines direct to the end user. But I think having had some training for the guys, our sales guys, to go out into the dealer network in Ireland and try and enthuse the dealers to, again, just to sell to the end user the benefits of Allett machines. Yeah, we're based in just outside Belfast. We have our own retail showroom there, but we have a dealer network across Ireland, which Southside would be probably one of the main Allett dealers in Ireland at the moment, but certainly the plan is to expand that across the island, north and south.
Hi, my name is Brian Swain from Cyril Johnston. I'm the procurement and supply chain manager. I've been working with the company 26 years. We've really enjoyed this trip to Allett. It's been great to meet the team and see the passion for the product, and really we've enjoyed getting invigorated and motivated and feeding off that passion that's coming from the team at Allett here for their product. Yeah, it was fantastic seeing how passionate Austin is for grass and for the machinery. I feel like I need to reseed my own lawn. I'm very envious of what he's achieved there, and it really is inspirational. Yeah, it's been a fantastic day here at Brockton, so it has. They're seeing the facilities and what can be achieved from just amateur setup here and just people passionate about what they're doing. So it's just been fantastic.
So we've just said goodbye to the 7 guys from Cyril Johnston, and we've finished a mowing session at Brockton Football Club after this morning doing a factory tour and some factory-based training. What a great bunch of guys, such a lot of experience in these people, real care for their customers over in Ireland, and so we've given them the Allett injection today and yesterday, so they know an awful lot more about the products that we manufacture and why we make them like we do, and how we need the partnership with them to make sure our customers are looked over in Ireland. So great to see you guys. Have a safe journey home.